How to change or update your payment method on Uber app. So if you'd like to update your payment method on the Uber app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber application, and this is a type of interface that you can see right there. Now from the top left you can see the three lines option. You can tap the three lines option there and go to the payment section, where you can simply also go to the wallet option there. Once you go to wallet, here you can see your existing payment method that you have added. So all you have to do is you can just tap on the selecting card right over there, and once you tap on the card option there, you'll be able to enter and choose a new payment method that you prefer. This way you'll be able to change your payment method on Uber. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.